Is making money online a scam? Hey everyone, I'm Scott, and I wanted to make this video to address that as well as share my own personal experience with it. But first, let's get to the big question I hear a lot, which is making money online a scam? It often gets associated with a lot of money, freedom, lifestyle. If you ever seen an ad for making money online, you probably know exactly what I'm talking about. The houses, Lamborghinis, and any of the other typical things you see in those types of ads. And the short answer is no and maybe. I'll explain that in just a second. Now, I've been making my full-time income online for over 4 years, and I still am right now. I started with nothing, working a small sales job, and eventually built myself up to over $1 million online without selling a single course, doing coaching, or any of the other typical online guru methods that you hear about. My main source of income is from private label brands I created and own that are sold on Amazon, as well as through my own e-commerce stores, which are hosted on Shopify. And I know a lot of people and have personal friends that make money online through a variety of methods, not just e-commerce. So I can definitively say that it's not a scam. Now, here's the big maybe that I referenced earlier, and that's how you learn to make money online definitely can be a scam. I've run across plenty of people and have actually met in person people who are faking their experience. They're trying to teach something they're not really making money at. They're just copying what they hear from other people, what they learn from other people, repurposing it and putting it out to try to pass themselves off as an expert. Or they had success in the past, but they're not really having success anymore. I know a lot of drop shippers that got a hot product, they're able to ride the trend, they made a lot of money, but then once that product died off, they're never able to get back to that initial level of success. So they switched to making a YouTube channel, to selling courses, to doing coaching, to make up for that lost income. Now, personally, I'm tired of this, and you might be as well. So that's why after 4 years of working on my business, I decided finally to start my own YouTube channel. I'm going to be covering what made me a lot of money, which is e-commerce, mainly selling on Amazon using FBA, as well as through your own e-commerce store. It could be on Shopify or any other platform that does the same thing. And I think what's the most important that I'm going to be covering what I consider the key to my continued success, which is marketing, whether that's funnels, Facebook ads, Instagram, influencers, etc. So if you're interested in learning from someone who's actively doing what they're teaching and making money at it right now, then you're in the right place. This is the first video on the channel, so I'm not sure how many people are actually going to see this. So if you made it to this point, I appreciate you. If you could go ahead and like the video, subscribe, turn on notifications, and I'll see you in the next video.